Continuing with the theory of equations, and this is the worked example number 3. And the question is, if alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots of the fourth degree equation, x to the fourth minus ax cubed plus b equals 0, we are required to form the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus delta, alpha plus gamma plus delta, beta plus gamma plus delta. Now, first of all, we notice that alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta has to equal plus a. Right? That's from the theory of equations. And so alpha plus beta plus gamma is a minus delta. And similarly, all the four roots are of the form a minus alpha, a minus beta, a minus gamma, a minus delta. So looking at those and comparing them with the original, first of all, there have been two stages. In the first stage, the roots have changed sign to minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma, minus delta, and then been increased by a. So the first new equation will be found by replacing x by minus x. So that's quite easy, and that will be x to the fourth plus ax cubed plus b equals 0. Right? And then the final equation is found by repeated division by x plus a. And so we'll use synthetic division because that's the shortest and tidiest way of doing this. And I've set it out here. So the coefficients of the equation that we've got is 1, a, 0, 0, and b. And we're dividing by x plus a. The coefficient of x is 1. And we have to reverse the sign of the constant term as to minus a. That's the way synthetic division works. And now instead of subtracting all the way through, we add because of the change of sign. So 1 into 1 goes once. Now we let the multiplier do its job. 1 times minus a is minus a. Added on to a is 0. Minus a times 0 is 0. Added on to 0 is still 0. 0 times minus a is 0. Added on to 0 is still 0. And minus a times 0 is 0. Added on to b is b. And then the b will be the constant term, which I've underlined. Now we move on to the next line and start all over again. So dividing, 1 into 1 goes once. 1 times minus a is minus a. Added on to 0 is minus a. Minus a times minus a is a squared. Add on to 0 is a squared. A squared times minus a is minus a cubed. Add on to 0 is minus a cubed. So that takes us to there. That finishes the second line, and minus a cubed will be the coefficient of the x term. Next line, 1 into 1 goes once. 1 times minus a is minus a. Added on to minus a is minus 2a. Minus 2a times minus a is 2a squared. Added on to a squared is 3a squared. So that finishes the third line. Carrying on, 1 into 1 goes once. Now let the multiplier do its job. 1 times minus a is minus a. Add on to minus 2a gives us minus 3a. That takes us to there. And then we finally just have 1 into 1 goes once. Right, so our result will be x to the fourth minus 3ax cubed plus 3a squared x squared minus a cubed x plus b equals 0. And that does it. Thank you for listening.